CRP Robot External Axis Coordinated Demonstration of P-Type Dual Axis Positioner. The positioner work table has an overall degree of freedom to flip, which can flip the work to the ideal welding position for MIG welding. In addition, the table of the CNC welding robot has a degree of freedom of rotation. Welding robot application can increase the welding space, large rotation freedom, high coordination with the robot, accurate positioning of the robot, and maintain the best welding position.